Alright, I'm in my 2012 Ram. I'm getting this message in here. My vehicle information center. I already had my oil changed. So I'm wondering what this is. Okay, so I've read that all you gotta do is put your ignition in the on and off switch position, which right now it is running. Where's it at? I can't see, so I'm gonna shut it off. And then they say just turn it on. On. Okay, and then all you do, they say, let's see here. Now it says no messages. Okay, now it says oil. Okay, so I'm going to hit this gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Well, I'll be darned. It went away. So let's make sure. Oh, cool. It worked. So put your ignition, if you need this fixed or need to figure out how to turn it on and on, press your gas pedal 3 times. Then the message will clear. Just wait for it to clear. Cool. Later.